Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Bella Yunisa Putri. I study at Sriwijaya University Department of Physics Education. I made this video to fulfill a college assessment, and I hope this video is useful for you guys. So in this video, I will discuss about relative clause. Why I want to discuss this material? Because to make clear which person or things we are talking about and give more information about a person, things, or situation. Relative clause can connect one clause to another to form a new word sentence. Example, clause 1, Annie is studying. Clause 2, Annie always get the first rank in class. We can connect clause 1 and clause 2. Annie, who always get the first rank in class, is studying. Relative clause have a defined relative clause and a non-defined relative clause. Example, I like the woman who lives next door. If I don't say who lives next door, then we don't know which woman I mean. Next, a non-defining relative clause give us extra information about something. We don't need this information to understand the sentence. Example, I live in London, which has some fantastic park. Everybody know where London is, so which has some fantastic park is extra information. Defining relative clause. The relative pronoun is the subject. First, let's consider when the relative pronoun is the subject of a defined relative clause. We can use who, which, or that. We use who for people and which for things. We can use that for people or things. The relative clause can come after the subject or the object of the sentence. We can drop the relative pronoun. For example, clause after the object of the sentence. I'm looking for a secretary who or that can use a computer well. For example, clause after the subject of the sentence. The people who or that live on the island are very friendly. The relative pronoun is the object. Next, let's talk about when the relative pronoun is the object of the clause. In this case, we can drop the relative pronoun if we want to. Again, the clause can come after the subject or the object of the sentence. Here are some examples. Clause after the object. She loved the chocolate, which or that I bought. Clause after the subject. The bike, which or that I love, was stolen. Next, non-defining relative clause. We don't use that in non-defining relative clause, so we need to use which if the pronoun refers to a thing and who if the refers to a person. We can drop the relative pronoun in this kind of clause, even if the relative pronoun is the subject of the clause. Example, clause come after the subject. My boss, who is very nice, lives in Manchester. Example, clause come after the object. Yesterday, I called our friend Julie, who lives in New York. Prepositions and relative clause. If the verb in the relative clause needs a preposition, we put it at the end of the clause. For example, listen to, work with, go to, come from, apply for, was. Was is always the subject of the relative clause and can be left out. But replace a possessive. It can be used for people and things. Example, clause 1, the dog is over there. Clause 2, the dog's its owner lives next door. So, the dog whose owner lives next door is over there. Where, when, why. We can sometimes use this question's word instead of relative pronouns and prepositions. Example, close 1, I live in a city. Close 2, I study in the city. It will be, I live in the city where I study, or I live in the city that or which I study in, or I live in the city in which I study. Next, we discuss about relative clause with relative adverb. 1. In Unit 1, you did review relative clause with relative pronoun. In this unit, you will have one more chance to review relative clause with relative adverb. Example, the laboratory where experiments are conducted must be kept clean all the time. The time when we shall conduct the experiment has not been decided yet. That physics studies Earth, universe, and human being is the reason why I chose it to study for my life. Each of the above sentences has a relative clause starting with a relative adverb. A. Where experiments are conducted. B. When we should conduct the experiment. C. Why I chose it to study for my life. 2. From the example, it is the doctors, the relative adverb. A. Where is used to modify a noun referring to a place. B. When is used to modify the noun referring to times. And C. Why is used to modify to noun reason. 3. However, there is difference among these relative adverbs in forming, defining, and non-defining relative clause. Non-defining relative clause, when and where are used in non-defining relative clause. Example, you have to read the report next week when the meeting is chairmaned by the president of our society. For defining clause, when and where are used in defining relative clause, but each of the clause modify a special group of nouns. When follow the word time or other time notions as day, week, month, years. Example, the time when we make the observation must be long enough. Where follow the word place or other word referring to a place such as a room or street, and the two word situation and stage. Example, the place where we do experiment is called a laboratory. I think that's all for this video. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.